Hello everyone and welcome back to the Decentralized Bull channel. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, MagicCraft Beta launch and all amazing updates that are happening currently in the market and what's going to happen to Bitcoin and the whole cryptocurrency market right now. Now, check out this beautiful view with the Burj Khalifa next behind me, Adler Sky View also there. Behind Adler Sky View you can see the Burj Khalifa. A bit foggy here in Dubai today, but no matter what, we're still gonna make some profits, look for the best opportunities in the charts and show you some very nice updates on MagicCraft. So make sure to follow this video until the end. So now let's go straight into the charts. Here we have Bitcoin sitting around 19,195, which is not so nice. We can see we have this very long uptrend, which is now changing a little bit. Maybe we can still move it a little bit and see if it's still in place, but for now it doesn't look so great. So let's see, we could move it like that and say it's still intact, but here you can already see MagicCraft Beta Beta, new release of the version 7.2.02, which is beautiful. We are constantly building every day. Now let me turn off the notifications and go to the 4-hourly chart. So here we can see Bitcoin is going up, going down, breaking EMA movements left and right, but still no really breakout to the upside. So what can you do during this time? So in my opinion, it's a very hard macroeconomic situation right now. You have gas prices going up, electricity prices going up in Europe like 10x. You have also war in a lot of countries, which is not beautiful at all. So please always be peaceful, try to do your best to the world, try to change the world and make it a better place. So the markets will also, but what we have here, and we always know that after the halving, which is around 1.5 years away from now, maybe more, Bitcoin will go up as always. So, and the whole market with Bitcoin. So nothing will change that. Besides that, we can go on to Ethereum because I have more Ethereum than Bitcoin. ETH, which is very nice to do. Let me show you now the Ethereum chart a little bit here. Here you can see the Ethereum chart, which is quite nice, and here we have this triangle, which probably will break out soon, and the question is it going to break to the downside or to the upside? That's a very good question. I think we still have time. Let's see, we can kind of form a movement like this here. So yeah, you can see here we can form some kind of movement led around here and break out, or we can break out to the downside and reach these kind of levels here, which are very possible in my opinion. But I will definitely be buying a lot of Ethereum. If it goes to 850, I'll be going full bull on Ethereum. Ethereum is doing amazing, guys, amazing. But right now, if you want to make profits, I will do maybe short-term shorts on smaller coins. For example, something like we have Huobi, went up a lot, so we could try to open a short on Huobi. We have SRM, Serum, which went up a lot also a little bit in the last days, and it's trying to retrace back. We have Doge USDT, OMI down a lot. Very good buying entry. What else do we have here? Tron is the only one holding pretty strong, which is very interesting. Twitter also went up because of Elon's news, which is amazing. Now let me show you MagicCraft game. And the new updates. We can go here, we can see all the nice characters. We have Amun here. Not big fan of Amun. I mean, because I cannot play it. But if you can play it, I'm sure Amun is also a very nice character. We have Kelly. Very cool character. We have Dr. Lutz, also very cool character, which is very nice. This is like a tank character. We have Frigard, which is my favorite. Looks also a little bit like me. Who else do we have? Jin, also very strong one. I like to play it a lot. So yeah, should we play a little bit? Okay, so here you can see the gameplay. Pretty awesome. The other character. I don't know why I took Jin is only good when you have a big team and you can attack from the far. I usually take Trigger because the nice close combat. Okay, game. So beta launch will be released today for everyone who has 1 million MCRT and 1 NFT. Please make sure to don't miss out this opportunity because it's an amazing one and you can literally play the most amazing game before anyone else, which is amazing news. Now, this was it for today, guys. Hope you're having an amazing day. Maybe I'll start making daily videos again. The market is on a low, one of the lowest points it's ever been. I mean, it was to 17K a couple months ago, but only for a small week. And now it's time to start accumulating more cryptocurrency and definitely more Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and 100% MCRT. MCRT is going to go at least 100x in the next bull market. So if you know, PUBG is making around 5.5 billion revenue each year. So there is a lot of room to grow for us, and we are constantly building. We are hiring more people, more staff. We have very nice announcements that will be coming out soon. So please make sure to stay tuned on MagicCraft Twitter, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.